I ever wondered if it's really possible to turn a small crypto investment into something big. In this video, I am taking on the challenge of building the perfect cryptocurrency portfolio from scratch and sharing every step along the way. Whether you're completely new or already dabbling in crypto, this journey will show you what it really takes to create a portfolio that's built for success. Building a perfect crypto portfolio is a goal for many investors, but it can seem overwhelming, especially for beginners. Having a well-structured portfolio is vital because it helps control risk and increase potential returns. It's not just about buying random cryptocurrencies and hoping they rise. It's about designing a balanced investment plan that fits your goals and comfort level. As we start this challenge, it's important to understand why having a solid crypto portfolio matters. For newcomers, it provides structure and confidence in a fast-moving market. For seasoned investors, it's about fine-tuning their existing mix to ensure they're positioned for steady growth. A well-planned crypto portfolio acts like a roadmap, guiding you toward your investment objectives, whether you're chasing short-term profits or long-term wealth. Crypto is famous for its volatility, and that can be intimidating. Prices move quickly, often in both directions, and it's easy to get caught up in hype or fear when markets swing. On top of that, misinformation spreads easily online, making it tough to separate facts from rumors. Many investors also lack clarity about how different cryptocurrencies work or where they fit within a larger financial plan. Adding to the challenge, the sheer number of available cryptocurrencies can feel overwhelming. With thousands of options, how do you know which ones deserve your attention? This is where having a smart, research-based strategy becomes essential. Once you define your goals and risk tolerance, you can start building a portfolio that genuinely reflects your investment vision. So, where do you begin? Start by reviewing your financial situation and figuring out how much money you can safely allocate to crypto. Next, clarify your goals. Are you focused on short-term trading opportunities, or do you want to build long-term value? These answers will shape your approach and guide every decision you make as your portfolio takes form. A smart approach to diversification involves spreading your investments across multiple types of cryptocurrencies. This helps balance potential rewards and risks. For example, you could hold well-established assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum while adding a few smaller, innovative tokens that might offer higher growth potential. Staying informed about current market trends is another key to success. Regularly checking crypto news, market reports, and reputable analysts can help you make data-driven choices. Social media can also be useful, but always cross-check information before acting on it. Risk management should always be part of your plan. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect yourself during market downturns or rebalancing your portfolio periodically to maintain your preferred risk level. Also, understand all transaction fees. These can quietly eat into your returns if ignored. One powerful long-term strategy is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of whether prices are up or down. This steady approach reduces the emotional stress of market timing and helps smooth out volatility over time. For instance, if you invest $100 in Bitcoin every month, you'll buy more when prices are low and less when they're high. Over the long run, this can lower your average cost and improve your overall returns without needing to predict market movements. Real-world data shows that dollar-cost averaging helps investors stay disciplined and avoid panic selling. It builds consistency and removes emotion from investing, two traits that are critical for success in crypto markets. Now that we've covered the fundamentals: diversification, risk management, staying informed, and consistent investing, it's clear that building the perfect crypto portfolio isn't about luck. It's about structure, discipline, and continuous learning. The crypto world never stops evolving, so adaptability is your biggest strength. New projects, regulations, and technologies emerge constantly. Keeping an open mind and adjusting your strategy when needed will help you stay ahead. Education plays a huge role too. Make it a habit to read blockchain news, attend online workshops, and follow credible voices in the crypto community. The more you learn, the more confident and strategic your investment choices will become. Another valuable habit is reviewing your portfolio's performance every few months. Check what's working, what's lagging, and adjust your allocations if necessary. Staying proactive keeps your investments aligned with your goals. And don't underestimate the value of patience. Crypto can deliver incredible returns, but those rewards often go to investors who think long-term rather than chase quick wins. Staying focused on your strategy helps you ride out the ups and downs. When building your crypto portfolio, don't ignore stable coins. These coins are pegged to fiat currencies and can provide stability in a volatile market. Holding a small portion in stable coins like USDT or USDC gives you flexibility to buy dips or secure profits when prices rise. Another smart move is exploring staking and yield opportunities. By staking coins such as Ethereum or Cardano, you can earn passive income while supporting blockchain networks. This adds an extra layer of growth to your portfolio without requiring constant trading. It's also worth keeping an emergency buffer outside of crypto. While investing can be exciting, your financial security should always come first. Keeping some savings in cash or traditional assets ensures you are not forced to sell crypto during market drops. Finally, remember that emotional control can make or break your investing journey. Avoid reacting to every piece of news or sudden price movement. Stay patient, trust your research, and stick to your plan. Over time, discipline will often outperform emotion-driven decisions. So, that's the roadmap to building the perfect crypto portfolio, from diversification and dollar cost averaging to staking and emotional discipline. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your personal strategy for building your crypto investments? Drop your insights in the comments, and if you want to keep learning with me, don't miss my next video on mastering crypto investing in 2025.